G'day, Alex Moss here from Tactical Arbitrage, and in this video we're going to have a look at the watch logs and stop search buttons. Now in the last video I started a search and I haven't really done anything. I've continued onto the next video while that search is still running. And I wanted to show you what the watch logs buttons means. It's essentially this panel up here but with a lot more detail. Now, as you can see, it's talking about what it's doing row by row. So it's saying, okay, for the first product we added one. The second one, we've got a known mismatch in the system that we've actually previously identified as a mismatched item. So we've skipped past that one, we've moved on to the next one, which actually fulfilled our criteria again and was also added. Now the next one, we had a gross return on investment of negative 64%, which was less, as you can see here, less than the 5% which we have set. So this has been removed from our results via reason of filter. Again, we've got a similar reason, then another item is added, and product by product we're getting more information. Now down here we have something which is called another match. Now what another match actually means is that we've identified that this particular universal product code is being used multiple times at Amazon, and so we've matched the item more than once, and if it were to fulfill our filtering criteria, it would also be adding these to our view data page. Even though the item appears to be the same, it's actually matching to a different ASIN. And as we scroll down, we can continue to see additional data, skipping for reasons of gross return on investment, skipping for reasons that Amazon is out of stock of new products, skipping for other reasons. And had I had the other filter turned on to show when Amazon is out of stock, we would be seeing those products too. We've got a rank filter skip down here, and more information can be found on here. And these logs are very important because they also help us and our developers. In case you ever have a problem with a search, you can forward us these logs at the end of the search so that we can investigate what that particular problem may have been and get to the root of the issue. And in particular, the logs that we will be sent won't be these simplified logs, they'll be the detailed logs. Now you can also look at the detailed logs yourself by clicking detailed. And you can see on here it's the exact same information with a little bit more data. You've got more of a timestamp, you've got more information on the UPC and the ASIN searched. You've got a little bit more information across the board here. For those more data oriented, you may like to spend more time in the detailed logs section while a scan is running than the simple logs section, and you can toggle back to simple log using the button at the bottom of the screen as well. You can also download the log using the button at the top of the screen, and you can also stop the search from within here, or if I come out and to finish this video, I will now go to stop the search, and that's been stopped as well. And that is it for this video. In the next video we'll talk about these three buttons at the top of the page.